Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today we'll be making ground beef tacos in the Crockpot. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Slow Cooker Kitchen. I'll put the link down below where I found this great recipe so you can make it too. The ingredients we're going to need are, we're going to need 1 cup of beef broth, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 whole yellow onion, 4 cloves of garlic, Mexican corn. Because I don't have Mexican corn, I kind of made my own. It's corn with green chilies in it, a little tequila chili seasoning, and some hot pepper sauce, or your favorite hot sauce. And I put it in a frying pan and mix it up and let it cook it just a little bit, fry it a little bit. We need 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, and I got fire roasted tomatoes instead of Mexican spicy tomatoes because that's what I have, diced. And of course, our crock pot. Let's get assembling. So I heated up my skillet. I'm using an induction burner because it's really hot and this will keep my camper cool. I'm going to add my ground beef and let that cook up a little bit. Then we're going to add our onions and our garlic. So I'm going to drain some of this fat out, then I'm going to add my onions and garlic to it. I drain into a bowl in my sink. Okay, let's start. Yep, that looks good. We're going to add our 1 onion. And we're going to add our 4 garlics. Sure, perfect. This onions are almost done. You just want to get into a translucent. Then we're going to put it in our crock pot. That looks good. To our crock pot, we're going to add our ground beef and onions first. We're going to add our corn next. Put that in. We're going to add our tomatoes. Our seasoning. Then we're going to add our beef broth. Give it a good mix. We're going to put this on slow cook. You can do it up to 2 hours. The longer it sits, the better it's going to taste. You can go up to 6 hours. So put the lid on. I'm going to put it on low for 6 hours. I'll see you back in 6 hours. So it's been 6 hours and it's time to eat. Our ground beef tacos is done in our crock pot. It looks great. Can't wait to try. Now for the fun part, putting together and eating. Get out your favorite toppings and let's get it put together and get ready to eat. I'm doing flour and corn tortilla. I'm going to get out some of this juice because I don't want mine too juicy. It's too liquidy for me. A little too much. Oops. Took too much meat out. Put this to the side. Sprinkle some cheese. Lettuce. I put pepper in my lettuce because I can use it as a salad later. If you put a little bit of pepper and shredded lettuce, let it sit in the refrigerator, it changes the flavor. It's really good. You should definitely try it. I'll make it for a video someday to see so you can see how I make it. It's a copycat recipe from a Mexican restaurant where I live. So good. Sour cream. Oops. This is pico de gallo I made. I am so clumsy today. A little bit of red taco sauce on the flour. And a little green. And now for the fun part, we get to try our food. Mmm. Mmm. So good. So easy. Full flavor. It's quick. It's easy. Start in the morning. Done at evening. This is perfect, especially for this hot days we're having. It's over in the hundreds where I live. So perfect. Definitely it's a must try. Thank you for joining Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. And please, in the comments below, tell me what you like me making my tiny RV kitchen. She's only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye.